This is where it all starts. Every project, no matter how big, no matter how complex, begins right here. This is our office, and on this table is somebody's dream. Before anything happens in a field, we spend serious time understanding the project, every sheet, every detail, because the decisions we make at this table are the ones that show up 6 months later in the field, for better or worse. Those projects is a custom home on a hillside in Encino required every person in our team to be locked in from day one, because hillside construction is a different animal. After we're on the same page with our clients, I'm heading into the city of Los Angeles, into LADBS, with a full stack of plans. This is the permit process, and on a project like this, it's not a quick visit. You're taking plan checks, corrections, back and forth with the city, and it takes patience, and it takes knowing how to navigate the system. But when you see those plans get stamped, when the city looks at everything you submitted and always then says, yes, this is approved, you're clear to build, that's the real moment. The stamp means the engineering is sound, the design meets code, and now the real work begins. First day on the site, we're setting up fencing, securing the property, and the machines are starting to roll in. And when you're standing on this hillside for the first time, looking out at that view, you understand immediately why the client chose this lot. It's special, and it's our job to honor that. Now here's where the project gets serious. Because of the hillside condition, we couldn't just pour a standard foundation. We needed caissons, drilled deep into the earth to hit the stable soil and bedrock. On this project, we drilled 40 caissons, each one over 65 feet deep. Just think about that for a second, 65 straight down into a hillside. That's the kind of foundation work that you never see in a finished product. But it's everything. It's what this home stands on, and it's what keeps it there for the next 100 years. After drilling, the crews are placed in the rebar cages, the steel skeleton that goes inside each caisson before the concrete is poured. Every cage has to be placed correctly, inspected, and approved. There are no shortcuts here. The city inspector, the structural engineer, our team, everyone is watching. From the air, you start to see the full scope of what's happening on the site. The machines, the crews, the layout of the foundation system. It all starts to make sense from up here. Right here in my hands, this is the structural observation report from our engineer of record. This document represents weeks of inspections, corrections, and coordinations between our team, the structural engineer, and the city inspector. And what it says is, you're ready. Footings are in place, rebar is correct, you're approved to pour concrete. When you get this clearance, the whole team feels proud of everything we did. Foundation is done, and now the steel is going up. This is one of my favorite moments on any project, because when the structural steel starts rising, the home starts to take shape for the first time. You can start to see the floors, the volume, where the rooms are going to live. The client starts calling every day at this point. Right behind the steel, the wood framing crews come in. And this is where the home really starts to feel real. The walls go up, the openings appear, the staircase location, the ceiling heights. It all becomes three-dimensional. Framing on a hillside home like this is its own art form. The angles, the setbacks, the cantilevers, the framers on this job were exceptional. I'm standing inside a house right now, rough frame, no drywall, no finishes, and I just want you to see what this feels like at this stage, because this is where you have to have a vision. Most people walk into a rough frame and they can't see it yet, but we can. We've been living this project on paper for over a year, and standing here, I can already see the finished home. As the project progresses, hundreds of moving parts must come together with coordination and accuracy. Interior finishes, exterior systems, windows, drywall, site development. Every detail carefully executed to bring the home to life. After months of engineering, planning, inspections, craftsmanship, the final vision emerges. Here is the final product. Enjoy it.
I'm in my belly shining bright, diamonds dancing in the night, Ferrari parked under moonlight, living fast but feeling right. My bed wave, champagne rain, golden order, no more pain. Every second ultra prime, luxury written in time.
At DWD Builders, we don't just build luxury homes. We build legacy projects designed to stand for generations. Built with precision, built with purpose, built by DWD Builders.